Cap 26 here for just do repair and tips, and I'm just going to give you an overview on how to do resin casting. Of course, you have to start off with a mold. That's a separate process to make that, and you need resin, an A and a B. This is 1-to-1 mix, and this has a 12-minute we'll say working time, and you want to put like 25 grams in 1 cup and measure it on the scale. 25 grams, okay, because we're using a small mold. And when you put B 25 grams, you want equal amounts within about 2 grams, 3 grams, okay. And then you want to pour it into a cup like this, which is inert plastic, and you want to stir it. I stir it vigorously because I use a pressure tank, and we'll show you that in a minute. So you vigorously stir it for about 1 minute 20 seconds, which I do, and then I pour it into the mold, okay. And sometimes I use an injector for some molds if they have small entrances to get the resin in all the places. And then I take this mold, I open up this pot over here, all 4 clamps, and I place it inside. Then I tighten all the clamps down, and then I add air into the pot about 55-60 psi. I don't go anything above that. It's really not needed. This pot is rated for 80 pounds. I don't suggest going up to maximum psi on any pressure pot. Please follow your manufacturer's directions on that. So I let that go overnight to cure, okay, and I pull it out, and I have a part afterwards, you know, in this silicone mold. And like I said, watch your working time when you're mixing your resin. So I wanted to show you this overview, and I hope this helps you. You can wear gloves also. That's a big help, okay? You don't get this stuff on your hands. It won't hurt your hands, but you can use like liquid soap or fast orange to get it off your hands if you get anything on there. And if it hardens on the table, it'll just peel off. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And rate and subscribe.